boys and girls, Raph here from Aura Fitness and Yoga, and also from my podcast, Cut the Shit, Get Fit. What we're gonna do today is something called the Turkish Get Up, which is one of my favorite exercises to build not only strength, stability, flexibility, everything. And I have a lovely, lovely person joining me today.
Hey, I'm Taylor Edwardson, and I'm so excited to try everything today for the first time.
Perfect, so let's get right to it. All right, so the first step is learning how to get to the elbow on the Turkish Get Up. A lot of people have a tough time doing this because they think they're trying to crunch forward, but in reality, you're actually trying to go across from your body, kind of like you're trying to roll out of bed. So always think of driving your elbow into the ground and also driving your heel to the ground, because that's the second thing that usually people screw up, is their leg will pop up. So you want to drive the heel and drive through the elbow. The second part is sliding your hand nice and close to your body in order to get your hip high enough to sweep that leg under. A lot of people with tight hips will find this portion of the get up really difficult. So make sure you exaggerate how high you want to put that hip to get that leg under. The next thing you want to focus on is when you get that leg through, you want to be able to transition your hips from that starting position into your heel. So almost slide your bum into your heel, and this will give you a better dynamic movement to get to the next portion. So the next thing you want to focus on is now getting off the hand to the top, and you're almost in like a half kneel position. What you're going to notice is the transition phase where you're going to take that other leg out to the side and sweep it in front of you and lunge forward. With this, you're almost there. I know this is going to take a while, but bear with us, you're going to get through it. From here, you're going to look forward. A lot of people make the mistake of still looking up and they don't know where they are in time and space. So now you're going to lunge forward. You're still strong, holding that kettlebell super tight. Now we're going to reverse the entire thing. So everything I just said, just in reverse. So the benefits of this exercise is not only you're going to build strength, stability, hip mobility, everything. Honestly, this exercise does everything. And it's really interesting getting someone brand new to kettlebells trying this. And I'm kind of curious about your experience. How did it go?
Well, trying that for the first time was definitely difficult, but it was so much fun. I wasn't expecting to have so much fun doing an exercise today, to be honest. Usually it's tough work, but yeah, I had fun, and it was very clear, your directions. Everything made sense.
Perfect. And then the conclusion.
Yep.
So if you want to learn more about kettlebells, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Find us on all of our social media, Instagram, Facebook, whatever you got to do, and share this video with all your friends and family, and we will be grateful for you to do that. Thanks.